Hey guys, my enclosed trailer, the left taillight over here just went out and I just figured out how to replace them, so I thought I'd make a quick video. Turns out these things are just held in place by pressure. You can just pull them straight out of this grommet and there's just one electrical connector that you pull straight off. So it just comes straight out like that, and you can see that there are 3 prongs. They look like this. I bought a set of 2 LED ones on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description for these so you can get them. They are really cheap. You just disconnect. Well, this one came with another plug in case you wanted to rewire the whole thing. Just a standard 6-inch trailer light. Got the same kind of connector here, so I'm just going to plug it back into my existing one. So since it comes with its own plastic grommet, I'm just going to take this one off. Just peel it right out. Slip it over here. Just pull it out of its grommet and tuck this grommet back in all the way around. Very easy. Tuck this wiring right back inside and press it to fit right back in there. All right, it's that easy. So while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the other one. So they'll be both brand new and matching. All right, we got Shop Dog out here testing out the lights. Oh yeah, there they are. Nice and bright. So much brighter than the other ones. You could barely tell the other ones were on. Yep, so that's parking and then brake. This video is Shop Dog approved. Please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and we will both see you on the next video.